The supply chain plays a critical role in efficient maintenance management. Success depends on having the right supplies at the right time. However, supply management can be a challenge if data is scattered among multiple systems. GOLDesp bridges the gap. As a centralized hub for information, GOLDesp seamlessly aligns maintenance processes with the supply chain. This ensures total asset visibility across the enterprise. GOLDesp makes it easy to locate your inventories. You can quickly determine the condition, quantity, and status of supplies with just a click of a button. GOLDesp also provides automated material forecasting to ensure stock is maintained at proper levels. This helps you get your inventory under control and reduces unnecessary stockpiling. In the following scenarios, we'll show you how easy it is to order and track supplies. Let's begin with the platform status board. It appears that a tank needs maintenance, which is indicated by the red icon. GOLDesp provides all the maintenance planning information for this tank, along with the parts needed to carry out the repairs. This particular tank needs replacement wheel tracks. If you access the Total Asset Visibility screen, you can see if the stock is on hand. If not, you can click on the Site tab to see the locations where the tracks are in stock. You can then put in a request to have the parts transferred to a work center. The Total Asset Visibility screen contains a wealth of information. You can view historical data of all the supplies and repair activities. You can see available parts, open orders, back orders, and much more. Here's another example. There's a UAV that's out of service due to a faulty camera. An order has been placed for the camera, but if we view the Total Asset Visibility section, we can see it is on back order. You can take a deeper dive by navigating through the Contract Transfer Matrix screens. This is where you can view the locations of the stock and all the transactions in between. Once a location is identified, you can reserve the part and have it transferred over to the unit, all in one easy workflow. When the maintenance has been performed, the status board will update the serviceability of the UAV and the entire fleet. The stock will then be replenished to prepare units for future maintenance.